All Kahr pistols are American-made in Worcester, Massachusetts. A total of 6 U.S. patents cover Kahr's unique locking, firing, extraction, and polymer frame design. Kahr pistols were designed in the early 1990s by Mr. Justin Moon, a Harvard graduate and firearms enthusiast. He designed the Kahr pistols from the ground up to be as small as possible in a large caliber versus designing a compact version of a larger handgun. All Kahr pistols are designed with single-stack magazines, so the Kahr grip profile is thin and comfortable to carry for extended periods. Nevertheless, the grip profile is very ergonomic, and the Kahr pistol shoots and points extremely well for a compact firearm. Kahr pistols are double action only with a trigger pull of approximately 6 to 7 pounds. As the trigger is pulled, the trigger bar draws back the striker to the rear via a pivoting double-lobe cam that releases the striker to fire the pistol. The cocking cam is reset by the retraction of the slide, and the striker is set to the preloaded position each time. As the Kahr trigger is pressed to the rear, the internal striker safety block is lifted by a lobe on the patented cocking cam. At the same time, the other lobe on the cocking cam pulls the striker back from its preset partially cocked position to fully cock it under full spring tension of the striker spring. Completing the rearward pull of the trigger causes the pivoting cam to rotate and release the striker while pushing the internal striker safety block upward, clearing the striker body. Kahr pistols feature a modified Browning type lock breech design. When the gun is fired, the barrel and slide travel locked together for about 1/8 of an inch, where the barrel is cammed down and out of engagement with the slide. At this point, the barrel will tilt slightly upward as the slide stop pin travels upward on the kidney-shaped cam in the barrel lug. As the slide travels to the rear alone, a ramp on its right side cams the trigger bar down and out of engagement with the cocking cam, allowing the cam to reset itself and reactivate the internal striker safety block. When the slide returns forward, the striker is reset and the pistol is ready to fire again. Kahr pistols are designed for ease of use and safety for the user. There are no external safeties or decockers to fumble with on the pistol frame. The internal striker safety block works automatically as the trigger is pulled. Due to the patented design of this unique cocking cam, it is impossible for the pistol to fire unless the trigger is pulled. The Kahr trigger pull is smooth and consistent throughout the entire pull, similar to a target revolver, and is part of the safety system of the pistol. This is Kahr's safe cam design and is unique to Kahr pistols. Contributing to the compactness of the Kahr design are 2 more patents: the offset feed ramp on the barrel and the method in which the trigger bar is attached to the trigger. By cutting away the right side of the feed ramp and extending a portion of the frame to fill the gap, the barrel is able to set lower in the frame. This feature, in conjunction with the striker fire design resulting in the absence of an external hammer, means the shooter's hand is high on the grip. This creates less felt recoil and muzzle flip in spite of the compactness of the firearm. Now that the barrel lug is out of the way, this allows the trigger bar to be attached to one side of the trigger instead of being underneath the barrel. This patented feature allows all Kahr pistols to be more compact than competitors. A patented self-cleaning extractor, specially designed so that powder residue is forced away from the extractor, assures that the extractor will continue to function shot after shot. Furthermore, the extractor is designed so that it employs the slide itself to limit its movement so that failures to extract are nearly impossible. Kahr's polymer frames are comprised of a polymer frame and an integral one-piece metallic front and rear structural member that support the frame and the reciprocal movement of the slide. The polymer rails on the top of the frame function as guides and are not the main support for the Kahr slide. This integral one-piece system allows the polymer frame to be strong and lightweight. The Kahr slide is precision machined from stainless steel bar stock. This component is heat treated and tempered to optimize durability. The combination of the engineering design, quality materials, and precise manufacturing results in the slide's toughness and compact size. Kahr's slide is the slimmest design among the major pistol brands. The Kahr magazine tube is constructed of corrosive-resistant 400 series stainless steel and heat-treated to 50 Rockwell for durability. Plasma welding the stamping to form the magazine tube gives a smooth interior surface for the ammunition stack to rise and feed, and creates an unbreakable seam. Furthermore, tumbling the magazine in the finishing process provides a smooth, consistent, burr-free surface. There are no sharp edges on which to cut yourself. All Kahr Pistol magazines are USA made by the same company for over a decade.